wonderful day for being at work. If only I knew what I was doing here. With a little pondering, I've decided what I should do today in my 2 hours that I have. I want to make a start on Project Christine. I need to pull the carpet out, ready for when it can be welded up, as and when the chaps at the garage have time to do it. But really, I need to do something that's going to generate some money first. Flog off the custard missile? No. I want to do a couple of jobs on that first as well. I could do it making some space around here. That's what I could do with it. So I think it's time to get a move on with Project Adam here. But there are quite a lot of bits that I want to keep. It doesn't look like lots besides the door cards and possibly the dashboard and the seats. Oh, the headlining. That's saggy. The sunroof. Yes, the sunroof. Gosh, a working sunroof that doesn't leak. That's mustard. The engine is broken, badly broken, so that's not going to be kept. But it is going to be taken out and dismantled for all the useful bits. Plus, I'd like to see just how much damage was done when the cam belt snapped. Clearly, this car is going nowhere unless it's stripped down to almost nothing. So I need somewhere to put those parts first. And that place is in here. But there's just one problem at the moment. I haven't really put anything away properly for quite a while. What happens is, I take something off, I bring it in, I put it in a box and I just leave it rather than storing it away on all of these shelves over here. And that means it's difficult to walk around the place. Plus I've got loads of empty shelves. So that means, unfortunately, I need to tidy up in here before I can dismantle that car, so I can get rid of what's left, so I can have money together to fix this. Simple. Should only take half an hour. I've just dropped a box full of starter motors onto my foot. Well, 3 of them. Just as well for Tony and the Bandit. There's some progress. How about that? There's still stuff all over the floor. Still things that haven't been put away, like that steering rack. But I can at least get around a bit better now. I don't want to make videos about tidying up my workspace, that's ridiculous. But there is something really satisfying about having loads and loads of parts all really carefully organised, so I know where everything is. I wonder what that's like though. Must be brilliant.